The men were killed and the women were put into slavery. That's the fate of the Trojans after the Trojan War. As far as the Greeks, though, there's a whole cycle of epics that dealt with the homecoming of various Greek heroes and the results of them either trying to get home and not getting home, or more often, getting home and the aftermath of that. The most famous of the stories of that cycle, other than the Odyssey, is called the Agamemnon by Aeschylus, first of the three tragedians, favored by Pericles, and it deals with Agamemnon, the king of kings, the guy who is the brother of Menelaus, who was allowed to be the nominal leader of all of the Greek kings who went over to Troy to fight the Trojan War, and the aftermath of his getting home. There's a big distinction between Agamemnon's fate and Odysseus's. Odysseus's fate is not a matter of him being punished by the gods or anything like that once he's home, but all the stuff he goes through in order to get home, and it takes him a long time to do that.